What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in, the owner of Hog On Welding and the founder of Hog On University. Today, I wanted to unbox my tools welding school kit that I actually got from Stronghold Tools. So let's jump into this. I want to show y'all what they gave me. So, we got some nice magnets. I really like these when it comes to fabrication. This is a great setup. And when I be using it on my firebox, you can hit everything, tack everything to it. This fab box actually comes up when I do fabrication, and I actually got another table layout too. But when I'm doing school work, normally we'll be set up in that location, and if I'm fabricating, I'll be over here or in a different location. So these are great. They sent me some big ones too, some big magnets. I like the fact that they're very strong. You see, I'm just putting them on my fab table on my box. They gave me some small corner ones. These are great. Also gave me some jumbo magnets. These right here is real cool. And these clamp on different sizes. When you're doing pipe, structural, whatever. As you see, I'm just clamping them on the box. They also gave me a grasshopper clamp. This is very neat. I was just messing with this one earlier. I like how you use this. This is very neat. So I appreciate all the blessings. Wanted to show y'all everything. Check us out. They gave us some very good clamps, and you always need good clamps when you're fabricating, man. I'm always running through them. I used to have some small ones that I use all the time, and now I use some for welding, then I have some for just fabricating only, because a lot of times when you just use them for random welding, you'll put them BBs all on it. So I like to try to use things for fabrication only, and then have some for that I just use to weld on certain things. So those are some great clamps. Then we got some more, man. These right here are super dope. These got springs, spring loaders. These are some small ones. Great product, man. I can't wait to use these on it. I got some bigger ones, so to have those small ones are great. MIG pliers. And it's ironic that they said MIG pliers, because I was talking the other day and someone asked me if I only had to pick one process and learn one welding to make money, which one would I pick? And I was telling someone, I said, you know what, honestly, if I only had to pick one, I would say MIG welding. Because with MIG welding, I can actually do two processes. I can do flux core, and I can do MIG with gas. So I mean, I can do some fabrication, and I can also go in the field and I can install some things with flux core in the field. So you can actually kill two birds with one stone with MIG welding. So it was ironic. They sent me some pliers, and they got a little chain. You kind of hold them on there so you won't lose them. You know what I mean? Pretty neat. But I like to tell people, I feel like the MIG welding process is where it's more economical. They use it in a lot of different processes in the field now, from making products to actually repairing. So the MIG welding process is great. And the second one I would say would be stick welding, because stick welding isn't going anywhere, especially with 7018 and you're doing structural setups and pipe. It's not going anywhere. So here goes some small clamps. These pretty cool. I like these when I'm doing small stuff like some piping and stuff you want to hold on types of things on. That's great. Oh, check this out, fam. They sent us some nice Bessie clamps. Look at this, some small ones. These right here is real nice. I'm not gonna open them up, take them out the plastic just yet. See what else they got us. Look at that last. Oh, we got a big Bessie clamp. Pick this one up. I got two of these here already from doing ironwork, so it's good to have these. These are like, I don't know, they feel like they're about 20 pounds. They nice and heavy. When you're doing some nice structural stuff, you need to hold on to it. And then they sent me two of the small ones. So these right here are real nice. I can't wait to use them. Like I say, we're always doing fabrication and making things, so it's always a blessing to have these different things that they sent. Then they sent us a tool kit. Actually shows us what's all involved, how to pretty much use it, the thickness, pretty much shows you how to use the clamps, how they open, and it's some good education material for the school. So this right here will most definitely get put up, so that way I can be able to show them when they come in, and something that you always want to keep. When a person don't know something, it's good to have the educational material to actually reference back to. So this is great. And last but not least, man, they sent me a dope shirt. Check out my shirt, fam. You know, I like getting my hog on, but I got the best with them today. So it was a blessing. I appreciate Strong. I appreciate Strong Tools, Strong Hand Tools for blessing us. And we got our hog on. Y'all be blessed, continues to prosper. And I'm out.